This is when you know I'm absolutely going through it, because just look at my outfit, just 1 second. I'm giving teenage boy. I've never started a vlog this ugly in my life. That might be debatable to some of you. This is part 2 of getting out of a fucking slump, because it is not done in one singular day. We're gonna really put in work today to try to get everything in order before I go to my mom's, get my wisdom teeth out, because as soon as I can eat normal and I'm done with my wisdom teeth, I'm doing a fucking health reset. I'm going hard on getting back to myself, because I can't take this, whatever this life is. It's not for me, babes. I can't take it. That's where I'm at right now, babes. So, also, this is not my hoodie. This is an ex-Boy Toys hoodie. I have a collection, babes, and I'll never give it back because it's a parting gift. Do you know what I mean, babes? It's mine now. Believe it or not, I have to go socialize with the guy that I was in a relationship with in high school, like 1,000 years ago. So somehow I gotta like perk up because I'm showing him like my bars or whatever, you know. This is my last hoorah before I cleanse my fucking system and no alcohol. We gotta get some shit done. This is like a get ready with me for, not a date. I don't wanna call it a date because like, I don't think it's a date in my opinion. It's just like a catching up with an old friend, an old lover. This is a Hallmark movie, but the ending is not gonna be a Hallmark ending. So, okay, so I've decided. The plan is that, what am I doing? Where am I going? I don't know. Gonna do the shower, self-tan. We'll let that marinate for the day. Doing like a mini version of the everything shower, wash my hair, blow it out. I'm not meeting him till 10, thankfully, but it takes me like a decade to get ready to go out to the fucking bars, especially when we're in this state. So, gonna do that shower. We'll regroup after that. I might go on a hot girl walk with a friend. I know I don't have the time right now, but like it feels like it would help my mental health. All I'm gonna do I do a face mask? I feel like I should, but also I don't want to. I need to pluck my eyebrows, but that's so much work, babe. You see what I'm saying? Like, I'm still in this slump because I don't want to do anything, but I need to get out of it. I can't handle this. It's driving me nuts. I don't like feeling like this. I also watched the Barbie movie Thursday. I cried and laughed so rapidly I switched between the two. I loved that movie with all of my being. I've watched it 3 times already. I could go on for hours about the Barbie movie and the impact and like how insane you are if you didn't think it was great. Like, let's throw aside if you don't like Barbie, if you don't like the vibe of it, that's a different story. But like the messaging, the storyline, you have to be dense as fuck to not respect it. And I stand on that, and I'll stand on that till I die. I've been plucking my eyebrows aimlessly for like 5 minutes. There's no point to this. And they look still terrible. You know, I really don't want to do a face mask. Maybe I'll just do something a little, what's the word, moisturizing. Leave on overnight, no. Alright, I'm gonna put on this like snail looking mask because it's hydrating. That's what I need right now. Honestly, I might just leave this snail looking thing on my face until after I do my nails, because like, give it a minute. Because it said leave on overnight if you want, or 15 minutes, those are very different things. So I think happy medium, I'm gonna do my nails, and then we'll rinse it off. It's the Sienna's Collagen and Elastin Recovery Mask, an intensive restorative mask, age-defying, because I'm in my mid-20s. Oh, I can still say that. When I'm 27, then I'm gonna be in my late 20s? I don't know the whole timeline. This vlog, by the way, so messy, so chaotic. Are there gonna be any cute montages? Probably not. I'm so sorry, but I can pinky swear to you that in the new year, there will be no chaos. I mean, that's my personality, but things will be on and popping. You know what I'm saying? This is just like my final messy, disgusting, annoying, chaotic vlogs. And then they'll level out in the new year. So I've impulsively decided to just go for a walk with my friend. I was not gonna go because I was like, you know, I have too many things to do. That's my ADHD logic. I'm not able to do multiple things like that switch my focus. I need to do it for my mental health. It would be good for me, but I'm gonna go for a little hot girl walk at the beach. I also have 9 minutes to get there, and it takes me like 15, so little intermish to talk about today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace makes it easy to get started by choosing from one of the many templates designed for every category that allows you to customize the look and add in your own content. You do also have the option to design your own template, and this is my website that houses everything relating to my personal brand. A goal of mine is to eventually launch my own online store, and Squarespace already has that feature available to me when I'm ready. So you can sell your products in an online store, whether they're physical, digital, or service products. And speaking of service products, they also have a built-in scheduling feature that lets you create and accept appointments through your website. The scheduling function has everything needed to manage your schedule, accept payments, send auto reminders, and showcase your services. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Siena Mirabella to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Apartment was clean, things were done, and then I went out that night for, oh, that's a whole story time, vibes. I think we need to sit so we can talk about it because I can't not. Oh my God, me and my mom are gonna watch Barbie when I come over for my surgery. In the last vlog, by the way, wasn't planning on filming today. I did have another vlog that was gonna go in place of this one. Hated it, which is even crazier because I know I'm gonna hate this one too. We don't even have time to talk about it. Whatever. So this is now me raw dogging it, filming the day before my surgery tomorrow. I don't know why I'm calling it a surgery. I mean, it is, they're putting me under anesthesia, but I'm getting all of my impacted wisdom teeth removed, all 4 of those hoes. How did I underwent spinal fusion surgery. Like literally metal rods in my back. Have no memory of what it was like before then. Like, was I not freaking the fuck out? But I'm freaking the fuck out for wisdom teeth. Don't genuinely remember what it was like before my spinal surgery, but I just know that I was out of commish for like 2 months, bedridden. Maybe that was liberating, I don't know. So anyway, change of all the plans. It's the day after Christmas. I came home to a very messy apartment and I was like, didn't I just clean this? Yes. I don't know what, time not working in here. I don't have the concept of time right now in here. I feel like everything is just coming to a head for it being the messiest final days of the year. And then January 1st is gonna hit. It's just gonna be better. Also, with the Mercury retrograde, they were like, yeah, beware of like exes coming back. And I was like, girl, I feel like that'd be me. I'd be the one feeling the vibes to do that, but I didn't. That was true for multiple people in my life. Not for me, like for their situation. Exes come out of the woodworks. Did I just switch up to Scottish in that brief second? Exes came out of the woodworks for everyone. For me, didn't think it would happen. It did, in like the most Hallmark movie way. And I folded faster than a fucking piece of paper, babes. But it was like justifiable folding. Like I folded, you would too. Like, okay, so if any of you have watched Friends, do you remember when Mike and Phoebe broke up because he didn't want to get married? You know, Mike came back and said all that shit to Phoebe. I don't remember what he said, but it was like rom-com shit, right? And then Monica was supposed to be like her sober sponsor, telling her like, don't go back to him, don't do it. And then Phoebe heard all that stuff and Monica was like, if you don't kiss him, I will. That was the vibes. Those were the vibes. So I feel like you guys would be Monica in that situation as well. We're so far off topic, it's insane. Let's journey back, okay? The apartment's a mess because Saturday night I went out. Don't know how the apartment got messy in like 2 days, but it did. And went out with my high school like lover, like, you know, I think I talked about this in the last one. High school lover before the other one. So like youngin', like 14 years old, just like puppy dog sweet shit. Went out with him, that was super fun, loved it, showed him the bars around town. And what happens to me, I go to my favorite fucking bar and then like it was out of a fucking movie, I turn around and there is Blast from the fucking Past. Not the one that you're thinking of, but like the most recent one. Not the XX, that will never, you don't gotta worry about that. Not XX, but like recent moment thing was behind me. All I remember was, I don't remember anything, but I'm pretty sure like high school boy toy came up to me and he's like, what's going on? And I was like, yeah, you're gonna have to catch an Uber home because I'm busy. It was a very fun night and I wanna just give all the details of every single thing of that night, but again, I can't. I wonder if YouTube does this. Like with the members thing where you can have like a members only videos, I wonder if I do that and like if I could make it $1 and then just have that and then we can really gossip because then I'm sure I can see who's like a part of the membership and if I see a name from real life, you're done. You're out. You won't be allowed in. And then if we all keep it a secret between each other and we all just gossip in these member videos. If you would like that, and if I can do that, if you guys know, comment below. I need that. We need an outlet so that we can gossip without real people listening. Do you know what I'm saying, babes? Like, I want to gossip so bad. I don't like filtering. You know this, babes. And then that's a fun thing that we could do in the new year. Very fun. We could be free to be you and me, you know? I don't remember why we started talking about that, actually, but regardless, I get my wisdom teeth out tomorrow. So nervous. I'm gonna miss New Year's Eve. And now I really don't want to, but I'm like, Siena, stand on fucking business. I need the apartment to be spotless. I can't handle what's going on. I don't even want to show you. Oh my God. And Sybil peed on my couch, and then she peed on my bed, and then she peed on my bed again, and then she peed on the same spot 5 times. I left her for 1 day. 1 day. I feel like her and I have a really good relationship. We're like besties, and then she does shit like that. Blows my brain. How perfect is this, by the way? My mother got me a fucking steam cleaner. Okay, we haven't done a mini Christmas haul in forever. I miss those videos so much, but let's just do a little mini Christmas haul because, like, why not? This video is like my last moment of absolute fucking chaos with no theme. And then in the new year, we'll get our shit together. So let's just do a little Christmas haul. Let me go get the stuff. I don't give my mother a list because I'm like 26 in a minute. So my mom, one thing about her, she just intuitively gets me the best gifts because she just knows me and I never shut up and I tell her everything. So she just gets me. So what this girl got me, and it's my favorite, I say that about everything, but she got me a Kindle. But look at this. Does this not look like an iPad to you? That is because it's apparently a Kindle Scribe. That's its government name. It's basically a Kindle, right? But it also has the ability to write, and you can have notebooks in it. I didn't know this even existed. This is amazing. I'm screaming and crying. And then I also was like, you know what, fuck it. Let's just get Kindle Unlimited, because it was like, here's a deal, 3 months free. And I was like, who am I to pass up something like that? I already have a fuck ton of books in here from Kindle Unlimited. I don't even know what Kindle Unlimited honestly is. But the first one that I want to read for nonfiction for the new year, oh, that's what we have to do. In January, we're doing the whole project thing where I'm planning my year, I'm deep cleaning, I'm decluttering. We're doing that whole thing. That's a series, and that's all going to be January. So I need to make my reading list for the new year. But the first book that I got, Master Your Emotions, A Practical Guide to Overcome Negativity and Better Manage Your Feelings. I had realized that I am so negative. It's only because of like past things that have happened, but my default is always catastrophizing. I think that's what it's called. I'm so negative. And I had that really brought to light when I was like going over things with my mom Christmas Eve about the debrief from the night before. She was like, girl, you just got like a little sign from the universe and it's so positive. Why the fuck are you being negative about it? And I'm like, babes, I can't even help it. It's just, I don't even know what positivity is sometimes. Like, it's spirally in here. I feel like I have come to the messiest point in my life where haven't exercised in months. Started drinking again. Not often, but like brought it back into my life. Hate. I don't eat healthy anymore. It's just like whatever meals. I'm like really leaning into my whole ADHD thing where I hyperfixate on a meal, and I'm just not meditating. I'm not doing anything to help my mental health. So I'm really aware of how bad my mental health is and how negative I am. And so I know that when I recover from my wisdom teeth, we're going full fucking force on healing girl shit. I'm getting back to a little healthy plan. I'm getting back to a little morning routine. We're gonna go through it together. We're gonna reset our lives in January together, okay? Because we're not forcing ourselves to be perfect, and we're not forcing ourselves to do it in 2 days. We've only gotten through one present, and it's been like a million minutes. So this thing, very cool. Can't wait to use it, babes. Like, we're gonna have so much fun with this together. Next thing that Miss Girl got me was a little headset, and I do have the white headset, but it has the wire, you know, to plug into your Xbox controller. Hate that, because every time I get up to do something else, I forget, and then the Xbox controller hits me in the knee. Really don't love that for me. So girly got me a little wireless one, and I wonder, no, this is made for Xbox specifically, but when I do my Sims videos again, I wonder if I have to wear a headset for like the audio to be good, for like you to hear the game. I don't know. Okay, now the moment we've all been waiting for, the item we've all been waiting for, the steam cleaner, babes. It's that cute little green one that you see all the girlies on Instagram have. All of you ask me, how is your couch clean with all your pets? It's not. I have to wash the couch cushions, and it makes me cry because it is so difficult. I've already broken the zipper on like one of these. This is much needed, and why it's perfect is because my mattress now has cat piss on it. So I feel like this I can use on my mattress to clean that today. This girl also got me cute little bowls for the animals because I complain constantly about that pink food bowl. That's gonna be delightful. That's going to replace their water bowl. I love it. You guys know I love replacing things that don't serve the vibe. Then we got this big boy, this thing. The stackable plastic canisters, stores pantry and baking essentials clearly in sight. Press on lids, airtight, BPA free, 21 count. I feel like I need to declutter my pantry before I can even begin to think about this. The last thing it's not put together, a little lamp for my office. That is everything that I got for my little Christmas haul. I feel like old school YouTube doing this, and I loved every second of it. She never misses with gifts, honestly, just never misses. She always just knows exactly what I need. Now I think first order of business is just cleaning up the apartment. I can't do anything when the apartment's a mess. I feel physically ill. Let's get it on and poppin'. It is much later. Ignore how I look. It's post wisdom teeth. It's been like a week, but I just wanted to pop in to say goodbye because I decided I'm not going to include any more to it. It's long enough. You can watch the chaos. Hope you enjoyed it if you made it to this part. And then in Sunday's vlog, the next vlog, we're starting all of the good New Year's prep, all of the resetting, getting our life together, decluttering, deep cleaning, planning, goal setting, the whole thing. So we're leaving this as what it is. I'm so sorry that it had to go up in the new year and not before, but I underestimated how long I would be out with the wisdom teeth thing. So hope you enjoyed it. I don't know, I don't even know what the fuck that was, but yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. My teeth hurt.